Finding the right 36-inch Pro range is an overwhelming task. With so many options to choose from, it's no surprise that many people end up regretting their purchase. Contrary to what manufacturers and other websites may claim, there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to Pro ranges. The best range for you and your family will depend on your unique cooking habits and needs. In this video, you'll learn about the differences between gas and dual fuel ranges, the importance of reliability and features, and the best brands to consider. Stay to the end and I'll give you some helpful tips on how to decide which range is actually best for you, along with some issues that nobody else is talking about. Let's get started. Just remember, many brands and the retailers supporting them often tout Pro-style ranges as professional. Be careful. Pro-style ranges are not professional ranges. They lack the burner and broiler output, capacity, and functionality of a Pro range. Dual fuel is said to be the best kind of Pro range. It's a drier heat and it's better for baking. However, the moist heat of a gas range is better for roasting. Broiling is also better in a gas range, especially if it's an infrared broiler. However, dual fuel ranges from certain brands have more advanced features. Wolf is the most well-known for its red knobs and dual stack burners. Wolf's professional gas and dual fuel ranges are reliable. They also have one of the best service networks available. Every burner on a Wolf range can simmer exceptionally well, unlike other brands. Wolf's infrared broiler, griddle, and grill are amongst the best on this list as well. In terms of burners, Wolf's dual fuel range has 20,000 and 18,000 BTU burners, while their all-gas GR series burners are only 15,000 BTU. The dual fuel range has a 7-inch control screen and is Wi-Fi enabled with a better convection system known as Verticross. Wolf's Verticross blower convection system moves air faster and more evenly than fans in a typical dual fuel convection system. The all-gas range, on the other hand, only has single convection. The Wolf Gourmet feature allows you to input the food and weight, and then the oven will calculate the necessary time, temperature, and rack position for the best possible cooking results. Again, this is only available in Wolf's dual fuel range. While Wolf's dual fuel range offers a great combination of features, including high output, a grill and griddle option, and the best convection system, the all-gas range's output at 15,000 BTU per burner is less than other Pro ranges. Additionally, Wolf's ranges are only available in stainless steel and have a lead time of 10 to 16 months. Thermador offers two styles of Pro ranges, the Pro Grand and the Pro Harmony series. They're best known for their star-shaped burners, which provide better pan coverage and 2 extra low simmer burners. Unlike many other brands, there aren't actually a lot of aesthetic and feature differences between Thermador's all-gas and dual fuel ranges. The Pro Grand series has several additional features compared to the Harmony series. It includes an external thermometer, a 20,000 BTU burner, a proof mode for baking bread, and a deeper oven. You can also choose to add an induction set of burners to the Pro Grand if you like, which is one of the best options for simmering and speed. The Thermador Pro Grand gas range is self-cleaning, but it's also more expensive, costing about $1,500 to $2,000 more than the Pro Harmony. The Pro Grand protrudes from your cabinets by 3 inches, which is why the Pro Harmony series is actually the more popular, as it sits flush to your cabinets. Thermador's range comes equipped with Wi-Fi capabilities like many ranges on this list. You can control your range from an app on your phone, which allows you to access recipes and adjust the temperature remotely. Thermador Pro ranges do have some limitations. The electric griddle takes some time to reach temperature, and it doesn't have the output or sear of an infrared. It's also more challenging to clean. The Harmony model has no clock or timer function. Additionally, Thermador uses an older single convection system, while many competitors offer a more updated dual convection system. Monogram's Smart HQ app has the best functionality and incorporates HestonQ technology to guide you through cooking new recipes step by step. These ranges are available in 2 options, an all-burner model and 4 burners with a griddle. Brass burners will provide more longevity, yet only La Cornue and Monogram offer this feature. The range's burners produce a high output ranging from 23,000 BTU to 15,000 BTU. One Monogram range option to consider is the ZGP 366 NTSS, which provides a slightly lower burner output at 18,000 BTU, but is still powerful and a more affordable option compared to other models. In addition to its high output burners, the range also has a powerful griddle with an output of 18,000 BTU. Unfortunately, this range lacks the option for a grill. It's also single convection and doesn't offer any colors. Paykel is a division of Haier, known for turning around GE in recent years. The company's 36-inch ranges have also undergone frequent updates from their original platform. Powerful burner output is one of their best features. This range includes two 23,500 BTU burners and four 18,500 BTU burners. The dual fuel model includes a clock and Wi-Fi capabilities. If you tend to cook large meals, Paykel's range has a smaller oven capacity of 5.3 cubic feet. It may not be the best for you if you have a larger family. Paykel ranges do not offer a grill or griddle. The controls on their range are relatively basic, lacking the advanced features found in other high-end ranges. Signature Kitchen Suite is the premium division of LG, offering 5 36-inch Pro ranges, including 3 dual fuel and 2 gas options. The SKS DR360 is a unique range to consider, especially if you live in Massachusetts. Features burners with an 18,000 BTU output and a low temperature of 100 BTU. It also has a 2-zone induction burner on one side. The range includes sous vide, a precision boiling technique through water immersion. For SKS ranges without sous vide, the maximum output is actually 23,000 BTU. This range can be vented at 400 CFM and does not require a makeup return in your kitchen, like other ranges on this list. We get into makeup air in greater detail in a different video. The griddle is chromium and the easiest to clean, and the oven is also 6.3 cubic feet in capacity. Many of their models feature a combi steam function that allows you to cook by convection steam, which is a healthier way to cook. SKS also has a robust Wi-Fi system powered by LG's ThinQ app. Signature Kitchen Suite has a 3-year warranty, which is the best on the market. They also claim your appliance will be serviced in no more than 5 days from when you place the service call. However, the SKS range does have some drawbacks. For instance, they don't offer a grill option, and the sous vide feature may not be useful to everyone. Additionally, it might be challenging for SKS to actually fulfill its service claims. BlueStar is a rapidly growing luxury appliance brand that offers a wide variety of 36-inch ranges. Their top 2 ranges, the Platinum and R&B series, are the most popular options, and they have a similar appearance. However, their new dual fuel range is the most intriguing. The new dual fuel range features 3 sealed 25,000 BTU gas burners, and the back burners are still impressive at 18,000 BTU. The X8 burner has 152 ports, providing superior heat distribution compared to other gas burners. BlueStar now offers controls with a 7-inch touchscreen display and 8 different cooking modes. With over 1,000 colors and 10 trim options, BlueStar's ranges can be customized to fit any kitchen decor. You can even make your own unique color. The ovens in BlueStar ranges are pure convection in both gas and dual fuel, ensuring even temperature distribution with air blown in from the rear. Only SKS and BlueStar offer pure convection in their all-gas ranges. All BlueStar ovens can fit an 18 by 36-inch sheet pan. The all-gas models in the Platinum and R&B series feature regular open burners. The BlueStar Platinum is more powerful with a maximum output of 25,000 BTU compared to 22,000 BTU for the R&B. The R&B includes an integrated grill and griddle, while the Platinum offers a freestanding option. Built-in grills and griddles generally offer even more temperature than portable options. While their dual fuel range offers impressive output, it's only available in all burners or 4 burners and a grill or griddle. The grill and griddle use regular gas instead of infrared, resulting in less direct and intense heat. The broiler is also only 15,000 BTU. In comparison, other brands average around 20,000 BTU. BlueStar ranges don't offer Wi-Fi or smart technology. Miele is a well-respected family-owned appliance company from Germany. The M-Touch control system available in their dual-fuel range is the most advanced on this list. Like Wolf, the system calculates time and temperature based on the food type and cooking preference. The range also features Moisture Plus, which is a steam assist feature. It includes up to 3 bursts of steam and 17 automatic bread-making recipes. In addition, both dual-fuel and all-gas models have twin convection. Miele's gas range also has the hottest infrared broiler at 23,000 BTU. Cleaning Miele's range is hassle-free, as the grates and racks are designed to be easily washable. You can even put them in your dishwasher. And the racks can remain in the oven during their self-cleaning cycle. The stovetop features burners that all provide up to 19,500 BTU. Miele also offers a high-output infrared grill and griddle. While the 19,500 BTU burner is impressive, some of Miele's other burners are less powerful with outputs of 9 and 8,000 BTU. Additionally, Miele's range is not available in color. La Cornue is French-made, but American-owned. Every feature is customizable from the stovetop to the oven to color and trim options. You can choose from several stovetop configurations, including a grill, griddle, French top, or induction burner. The oven is exceptional and features natural convection. The air is introduced at the bottom of the range and keeps a consistent temperature without even using fans. The arched top better distributes the air. You can choose to have either an electric or gas oven in the 36-inch size. La Cornue offers a vast range of colors and 8 trim options. You can even create your own if you like, similar to BlueStar. La Cornue ranges are like pieces of furniture that are as beautiful as they are functional. While a La Cornue range is one of the best and most luxurious on the market, it comes with a steep price tag of over $40,000 plus shipping from France. It also doesn't offer any smart technology, not even clocks or timers. First, there's no one best range. Before you look online or go to your local appliance store, take some time and understand how you currently cook. What's the most important to you? Do you like to bake or broil? Do you want a more powerful burner, an easy-to-clean range, self-cleaning? Do you want more controls, more smart functionality? Do you often use a grill or griddle? Answering these questions will help you choose the best range for you. One last tip before you go. Make sure you tell your dealer what you want. Don't let them decide what the best is for you. If you do, you may be disappointed because their choice will not match how you cook. Also, service is a problem with specialized products like Pro ranges. Inquire about service before you purchase any appliance. Click here to find out if you will regret buying a dual fuel range. Thanks for watching.